Good morning guys, today we've got here POCO X8 Pro Max and let me show you how to remove Google account from the... So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select Google. Here you've got the account. If you have more, just pick the one that you want to remove. Click on manage accounts on this device, click on this Google again, tap on more and select remove. And if you truly want to delete this account with all its data, like messages, contacts and any other data, just mark remove. Tap on OK, confirm it with your fingerprint, lock screen, whatever you use, and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with your device, and also all contacts or photos connected with this account disappeared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.